everybody. Good morning, good evening, good afternoon, whatever time it may be. Thank you so much for tuning into my channel. Greatly appreciate the support. This is a little surprise video. A heck of a surprise for me. Greatly appreciate it. I'm gonna use Miss Frances's word. This is a blessing box. Was not expecting anything like this, and when I opened it, it was like, wow. It completely surprised me, took me off guard, all that good stuff. And, I greatly appreciate it. There's a name on the box. That's all. No note, no letter, no label, no anything. I do not know if the person wants to remain anonymous or if you want a shout out. I will redo a million videos and give you an awesome shout out if you want one. Just please email me if you see this video and let me know. If you remain not to, then that's I understand that just as well. And I still want to say thank you so much. You know who you are, and I hope you see this and understand I greatly appreciate this. Gonna show everybody what it is. I turn my roach clips, my dab spoons, all that good stuff. Let me see, whoop, there's a roach clip up there on my wall that I did right there I got that from Mr. Johnny. That piece of wood, Bokate, I believe is what that one was. But anyhow, back down to where we're at. That's what I do, and I've been busy at it. So busy that I'm running out of epoxy blanks and stuff, and I gotta make more, and just cooler weather's gonna slow all that down. Just all that, my own problems, but you know, this came in at just an awesome time. But alright, let me get to it and show you what I got. There's 16 pieces here. Okay, it's hard. I can't back the camera up much more. There's the box that it came in. Nice little box. Like I said, 16 pieces in here. Oh, let me trying to tilt the camera down without dropping stuff. Alright, I do not know all the species of the wood. I'm assuming this is Purple Heart. There's two of these. They are 12-inch dowel rods, and they're about 7/8 of an inch, somewhere in there. But there's two species of each, and I mean, it's just awesome. Not sure what that is. Not sure of the woods, because nothing of it is none of it's labeled. I like that right there. I don't know how deep that goes, but that'll be some character. Like I said, there's two of each. 16 of them total. And goodness, at the lengths these are, the way I do my the way I cut and the lengths that I use for most of the stuff I do, I'll be able to get, like if I just straight cut them in half, there would be 2 clips and that easy. I recently turned some blanks that I had received from Miss Frances, and the blanks were long enough that I could turn a clip and then a matching dab spoon to go with it. So I thought about that with some of these pieces, and then I just recently got myself the pin mandrel that I need. Pin mandrel, barrel trimmer, and all that stuff to get started with doing pins. I have to get me some pin kits for the bushings and whatnot. And these can be run through and drilled on my lathe and turned into pin planks. I mean, I can make roach clips, I can make pins, I can do my dab spoons. This will be greatly used. I greatly appreciate it. I'm getting all tongue tied here. I greatly appreciate this package. And again, I got your name and address all taped off right here. But if you do want a shout out, please give me an email, and I will for sure. And again, thank you so much. Y'all have an awesome day. Stay laid back, stay awesome, all that good stuff. Oh man, this was just so cool. And I hope you catch this video. Email me if you want a shout out, please. I will give you a shout out. But if not, I can understand. And again, I appreciate this so much. Awesome, awesome, awesome. I love this community. This is so cool. Y'all have a great day. Stay laid back, stay awesome. And look out for the 13th coming up. I'll be having a little parking lot event thing, and I might try to do a live on that day. I'm not sure what times I'll be going live, but we'll have to see how it goes. But again, thank you so much. Greatly appreciate this. And everybody, thank you for the support. And man, thank you. Stay awesome.